Geraldine Ferraro. Geraldine Anne Ferraro, born August 26, 1935, died March 26, 2011, was an American politician, diplomat, and attorney. She served in the United States House of Representatives from 1979 to 1985 and was the Democratic Party's vice presidential nominee in the 1984 presidential election. Running alongside Walter Mondale, this made her the first female vice presidential nominee representing a major American political party. She was also a journalist, author, and businesswoman. Ferraro grew up in New York City and worked as a public school teacher before training as a lawyer. She joined the Queens County District Attorney's Office in 1974, heading the new Special Victims Bureau that dealt with sex crimes, child abuse, and domestic violence. In 1978, she was elected to the U.S. House of Representatives, where she rose rapidly in the party hierarchy while focusing on legislation to bring equity for women in the areas of wages, pensions, and retirement plans. In 1984, former Vice President and presidential candidate Walter Mondale, seen as an underdog, selected Ferraro to be his running mate in the upcoming election. In doing so, Ferraro also became the first widely recognized Italian-American to be a major party national nominee. The positive polling the Mondale-Ferraro ticket received when she joined soon faded, as damaging questions arose about her and her businessman husband's finances and wealth and her congressional disclosure statements. In the general election, Mondale and Ferraro were defeated in a landslide by incumbent President Ronald Reagan and Vice President George H.W. Bush. Ferraro twice ran campaigns for a seat in the United States Senate from New York in 1992 and in 1998, both times starting as the frontrunner for her party's nomination before losing in the primary election. She served as the ambassador to the United Nations Commission on Human Rights from 1993 until 1996 during the presidential administration of Bill Clinton. She also continued her career as a journalist, author, and businesswoman, and served in the 2008 presidential campaign of Senator Hillary Clinton. Ferraro died in 2011 from multiple myeloma, 12 years after being diagnosed. Ferraro was inducted into the National Women's Hall of Fame in 1994. Ferraro received honorary degrees during the 1980s and early 1990s, from Marymount Manhattan College, 1982, New York University Law School, 1984, Hunter College, 1985, Plattsburgh College, 1985, College of Boca Raton, 1989, Virginia State University, 1989, Muhlenberg College, 1990, Briarcliff College for Business, 1990, and Potsdam College, 1991. She subsequently received an honorary degree from Case Western Reserve University, 2003. During her time in Congress, Ferraro received numerous awards from local organizations in Queens. In 2007, Ferraro received a Lifetime Achievement Award from the Sons of Italy Foundation. In 2008, Ferraro was the initial recipient of the annual Trailblazer Award from the National Conference of Women's Bar Associations and received the Edith I. Spivak Award from the New York County Lawyers Association. In 2009, legislation passed the House of Representatives calling for a post office in Long Island City in Queens to be renamed for Ferraro, and in 2010, the Geraldine A. Ferraro Post Office was accordingly rededicated. In the fall of 2013, PS 290Q in Ridgewood, Queens, was reopened as the A.C.E. Academy for Scholars on the Geraldine A. Ferraro campus. In 2018, she was chosen by the National Women's History Project as one of its honorees for Women's History Month in the United States. Thanks for watching HerStory channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.